Hey ChatGPT, what is the best way to invest my money? The best way to invest money depends on several factors, including your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment time frame. However, here are some general principles to consider when making investment decisions. 1. Set clear financial goals. When setting financial goals, it's important to be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," specify the amount you want to save and the time frame in which you aim to achieve it. This clarity helps you stay focused and motivated. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Within each asset class, diversify further by investing in different companies or securities. This strategy helps reduce the impact of any single investment's performance on your portfolio. Different asset classes tend to perform differently under varying market conditions, so diversification can help balance risk and potentially enhance returns. 3. Understand your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance is subjective and varies from person to person. It's important to assess your financial circumstances, investment knowledge, and emotional capacity to handle market fluctuations. A risk tolerance questionnaire or consultation with a financial advisor can help you determine whether you are more conservative, moderate, or aggressive in your investment approach. Understanding your risk tolerance will guide your asset allocation decisions and help you select investments that align with your comfort level. 4. Invest for the long term. Investing with a long-term perspective allows you to benefit from the power of compounding returns. Over time, your investments can generate earnings, dividends, or interest that can be reinvested, leading to exponential growth. The longer you stay invested, the more you can potentially take advantage of market upswings and overcome short-term market volatility. This approach is especially important for goals like retirement planning, where a longer investment horizon is available. 5. Educate yourself. Investing can seem complex, but educating yourself about the different investment options and strategies can help you make informed decisions. Start by understanding basic financial concepts, such as risk and return, asset allocation, and diversification. Expand your knowledge by reading books, attending seminars, taking online courses, or consulting with financial professionals. The more you learn, the better equipped you will be to navigate the investment landscape. 6. Consider your investment options. There is a wide range of investment options available, each with its own characteristics and risk profiles. Stocks offer ownership in a company, while bonds represent debt obligations. Mutual funds and ETFs allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of securities. Real estate can provide income through rental properties or potential appreciation. Evaluate the potential risks, returns, liquidity, and tax implications of each investment option and select those that align with your goals and risk tolerance. 7. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio. It's important to monitor the performance of your investments and periodically review your portfolio. Assess whether your investments are on track to meet your goals, and if necessary, make adjustments. Rebalancing involves realigning your asset allocation to maintain your desired risk and return characteristics. For example, if one asset class has outperformed others, it may overweight your portfolio, requiring you to sell some holdings and reinvest in other asset classes. 8. Be mindful of fees and expenses. Investment expenses can erode your returns over time. Understand the fees associated with your investments, such as management fees, trading costs, and expense ratios. Compare costs across different investment options and consider low-cost alternatives like index funds or ETFs, which often have lower fees compared to actively managed funds. Minimizing expenses can help maximize your investment returns. 9. Stay informed and adapt. Financial markets are influenced by various factors like economic conditions, geopolitical events, and technological advancements. Stay informed about market trends, news, and economic indicators that may impact your investments. Regularly review your investment strategy and make adjustments as necessary. However, avoid making impulsive investment decisions based on short-term market movements. Focus on your long-term goals and evaluate whether any adjustments align with your overall investment plan. Remember that investing involves risk, and there are no guaranteed returns. It's important to understand your personal circumstances, risk tolerance, and investment horizon when making investment decisions. Consider consulting with financial professionals who can provide personalized advice tailored to your situation. Subscribe for more videos like this.